Hey, Wi-Fi at DFW. My name is Charles Marini, and I work with Your Local SEO Pros. It's a small company I just started. Currently with one physical location in Philadelphia. I wanted to shoot you this quick video after doing some quick research on your website. And the video I'm going to shoot right now is basically going over your website and you're seeing what's working well, and also looking over your competition and see what's working well for them. Then I'm going to give you 3 tips that you guys can use, implement today to help bring in more customers for your business and to dominate your competition online. First, I just want to answer a question. Why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, I found that by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things you can do to impact your business for free, this results in local business owners saying, hey, I like you, Charles. Please do this for me. So if by the end of the video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take the advice and attack plan I've given you and implement it by yourself, that works for me too. As Zig Ziglar once said, you can get what you want if you help enough people get what they want. So that's my MO, that's my mode of operation, to help your business. Okay, so I don't want to waste any more of your time or mine, so let me get into it and show you 3 things I'm going to focus on that will set your company above the competition. These 3 things are content, citations, and backlinks. I'm focusing on these because these are the 3 most important things when it comes to ranking your website and bringing in new customers for your services. So the first thing I want to go over is content. Where am I? Let's go to your website, to your webpage. Basically, content is anything that's on your front page that you can see, including pictures, what the pictures are saved as. Also, what's behind the pictures is included as content. And why this is important is that you want to make sure you have enough unique, authoritative content right on your front page that explains very clearly what it is that you do, what you offer, who you guys are. Then also being able to add in some keywords or key phrases or key terms that people are going to be using to try and search for you guys, for your services, if they haven't heard of you. So in general, you guys need at least 1,500 words to be optimized with Google. And using this free tool I have here, it's called Word Counter. I put your site in and I see you have 920 words. Now, doing a quick Google search for IT companies in Dallas, aside from these ads here, you can see the first organic result that I have here is dallastechnology.com. I'm not sure if who these guys are, but just looking up their word page, they have about 970 words. So that's beatable for you guys. If you can get up to that 1,500 words on the front page, putting in good keywords and good key terms, I'm sure you can beat these guys using that. The second competitor, I see totalit.com. When I put them into the word counter, we found 362 words on the front page. So that's very easily beatable. So that's the gist of content. You guys just want to make sure that you have enough content to get all your keywords and key terms on there so that you can get found in search engines. Second thing I want to go over is a citation. So let's go back to the search for IT companies in Dallas, IT service company Dallas. Whenever you search for something in Google, the first thing you see are these traditional ads over here in the top area. These are all Google ads paid for. These could be hit or miss. Some people have ad blockers nowadays, and with the ad blocker, they won't even see the Google ads. So anybody who's running ad blocker, you could be missing out on that part of the market. But the citation part, if you go scroll down a little bit, you'll see this. It's also called the maps part. This citation part I'm talking about has more to do with this map section. This is where a lot of people go to get phone calls and clicks to their website. And Google tracks all of that if you have analytics and Google My Business all set up correctly. So now you may want to know, how do I get ranked up here in the maps section? Well, that's citations. Basically, all a citation is your business name, address, and phone number listed into different directories all throughout the web. And what a directory is, you can think of a directory like Facebook or Yellow Pages or Yelp, anywhere online where they give business owners the opportunity to list their businesses and services so that they can have another avenue for their customers to reach them. That's basically what citations are. And in order to beat out your competition here, in fact, let's view all and see if you're up here. Oh, I think I need to refresh this page. Okay, let's hit view all, and you'll see all the companies that are ranked in this maps section. IT support, Velocity IT. Okay, I don't think I see you here. So basically, to be able to rank here, to be able to beat out your competition, you need to try to get your business listed into the same directories as your competition is listed in. But you just don't want to stop there. You don't want to just stop there. You want to try to add more and more so that you can completely dominate your competition and get above them. So you may want to know or find out how can I get to do more research on your customer citations and on your own citations. So let's go over here to this tool that I use. Costs about $30 to $70 a month based on your plans. It's called whitespark.ca. And I put in your business here. And you can see it has about, I already clicked it. It has about 12 citations and basically 143 different opportunities you can put your business in. You have 8% of your competitor citations. So to rank up here in the maps section, you have to do a little bit of more work getting your citations up. It's good if they're over 100% of your customer citations. That means you're dominating them in the field. That's what I have for citations. Now, the next thing I want to talk about, the last thing, is backlinks. So for backlinks, let's go back to the search here. IT service company, Dallas. So yeah, the third thing I want to cover with you is backlinks. Backlinks have more. Okay, so when you search, you see these ads first. Then you'll see the maps section. Then comes the organic results, search results down here. A lot of the time you'll see these major companies that list other companies. What we're looking for is individual businesses. And here we go. Like I said, the first one I found here is Dallas Technology, which is your competitor. Yeah, so backlinks have more to do with this organic section down here. As I mentioned, you want to make sure you have relevant content. You want to make sure your business is listed in relevant directories out there that refer your business. So what is a backlink? Let's say you do a good job for a customer and that business shouts you out online saying something like, hey, these guys did a great job on this project. Here's a picture of what they did, maybe a before and after picture. Then they place a link that links back to your website and say, hey, if you guys want a great job done, here you go. You can trust these guys. That's what a backlink is. It's just another website linking back to your website. All that does is create another avenue for people to find you and your business and services. All right, so let's go back to this Dallas Technologies and look at your competition. Where are they? Yeah, Dallas Technology. Um, like I said before, with the word count, they have almost as many, a same amount of content on their page as yours. But let's focus on backlinks. And for that, I have another tool called Ahrefs. Ahrefs. This gives a good overview of what's working and not working for you and also for your competition. So as we can see, I was working for you guys. I searched for you guys here, bradfordtechnology.tech. I see you currently have 53 referring domains that are giving you 104 backlinks. By that, you're actually getting found for 43 organic keywords, which brings you about 11 customers or 11 organic traffic to your site per month. Now, if I go here into organic keywords, I can get an idea of what you're positioning, of where you're positioning and what keywords you're going after and ranking for. For example, this keyword here, IT companies Bradford. This is on your site. The volume of searches for that per month are about 20, and it's putting for that search you're fourth. You've gone up three positions up. Let's look for another keyword, Bradford Tech. This really isn't location specific, so this is more like a global keyword. In fact, I don't see as if you have any location specific keywords, which would really help put you up against your local competition. Now let's see what your competition is doing. Again, I searched for Dallas Technology, and they're doing pretty well because that's why they're ranking really high. They have about 75 referring domains, which gives them 606 backlinks. From their site, they have about 180 keywords that they're being searched for, giving them 270 clicks, or rather visitors per month. One thing I also want to mention over here, the DR, which is domain rating, which shows how kind of trustworthy your website is. This is out of 100. This is 18. Your domain rating is 0. Unfortunately, it's not that trustworthy in Google's eyes, and that's what we want to work on. Okay, so let's go into the keywords and take a look at how they're ranking for them. Okay, let's see. Now, as I mentioned before, the keywords with an actual location, IT Services Dallas, you can see that they're ranking pretty high for that, position 2, and they're getting about 300 searches. There are about 300 searches for this keyword, and they rank at position 2. These are, sometimes you might have generic terms without a location, but it's important to have your location so people know where, so Google knows where you are when people look. Just a reminder that most keywords are buyer intent keywords, which means people typing into the search engine more than likely looking to get service right now. So if you had these keywords are probably people who are looking for service right now. That's why it's important to get you guys ranked up to the first page for your keywords, and to have the right keywords on your site to increase this traffic, organic traffic per month. So in a nutshell, that's essentially how backlinks work. So the more I go into your competitors' backlinks, what we would do is that we'd look to see where they're currently listed and try to get your business listed in the same spots or comparable, but relevant to the IT field. Okay, let's go back to your website here. And I just want to recap the 3 most important things when it comes to your website are content, citations, and backlinks. Hopefully this has been informative to you. Sorry it's ran a little bit over the time I promised, 8 to 10 minutes, but thank you for watching all the way to the end. You can either go with this information I've provided you, or which I'm totally cool with. Or you can hit me up on Facebook, or give me a call at 215-770-1621.